out with me. So today we're going out. Yeah, I hope you enjoy this vlog. And it seems like I don't have a lot of energy, but I do have. It's just because it's early in the morning and I don't want to shout because I think there are people around. So yeah, let's go out. Bye bye. Let's meet them. So nimefika, it's fayaz and nimeshow samosa mbili na chai as I'm waiting for someone. It seems I'm like very short. Nikiketi kwa vitu nyingine huwa najifeel niko mdogo, vitu ziko kubwa kuliko mimi. It's just so awkward. Table liko huko juu na mimi niko huko chini like. And that is where I'm going to have my lunch. Few steps from where I work there. Mimi nataka nipe vegetable fried rice, vegetable. Hiyo tumoja. That is fichi. Yeah, that is fichi. I did not get time to record the outside. And that is Kokuzinga. We are also having another, like there are several restaurants out here. Rosem, Kulfian, and there is another one, Bryce Stand, I think. This is the place, the joint, and there is the sea. I had my lunch at Fichi because their food is so nice. And it's like iko tu hapo karibu na kazi. Huko mwisho. Ona hapa. Ile kule mwisho. That is where it is, and now back to work.